When I carve, all my stress is dissipated. The carving is so peaceful to me. My workshop is a sanctuary. Most of the carvings are generally inspired by the books that I read. Often I'll be reading a fantasy novel, and I find that there's more to that scene that just wasn't told. And then I want to carve it. The most important thing I look for in a wood carving tool is a good burly piece of metal, in addition to it being able to hold an edge. Luckily, Schaaf does. Schaaf tools are good for all ranges of carvers. I think it's good for beginners because they're a third the cost of any leading brand, but their quality is just as good. If I had to choose a favorite tool out of the 12-piece set, I would choose the 7L. It's good for sky, water, ocean, a lot of things where you want a good, straight gouge mark that lets you see a number of different textures. What I really want is for my artwork to tell a story, these super, legendary lives and their massive undertakings. I want to give it to you in that visualization. The Schaaf Tools really brings my work to life.